Hello and welcome. This is Paul Photography and this is the first episode of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we're gonna have a look at a nice rim shot setting with 2 light sources. Let's jump right into it. We all know our typical rim shots. In this case I just mount a small reflector to my strobe and place it behind me. Shiny, highlighted contour. But let's take things further and more interesting. I stay with my small reflector but place it to the side and put it up to get a nice light on my hair and neck. As a second light source I chose the strip light without the grip, so I get a soft light on the front. Let's let them work together. Find some stuff for the shooting and let's go. Paul, and this is your shot.